The most easiest to grow cactus is the bunny ear cactus that can survive very well even in very odd conditions. In this video, we will discuss all about bunny ear cactus care, including its soil mix, fertilizer, propagation, and so on. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bunny ear cactus is a hardy, low-maintenance cacti that is native to Mexico, where it's grown as a decorative house plant. It's a permanent plant that is non-toxic but can cause irritation if consumed, so be careful. It's also called as bunny cactus and polka dot cactus. Bunny ear cactus is a common plant and you can easily find it in any local nursery, especially in summers. Other ways to grow bunny ear cactus is by growing their cuttings, and that is super easy. You can simply follow the bunny cactus propagation video linked in the I button and description box. Once you have a bunny ear cactus, following are some simple care tips you need to follow for a healthy and thriving bunny ear cactus plant. The first and the most important thing in bunny ear cactus care is its proper seasoning. Understanding the growing season of any plant promises less problems and better growth of a plant. So for bunny ear cactus, as it's a cactus, so obviously it's a desert area plant that likes a warm temperature range of around 25 to 40 degrees Celsius. In this temperature range, bunny ear cactus grow very well. Its season of growth starts in the early summers as soon as the temperature exceeds to 20 degrees. And it continues to grow very well all over the summers. But once the temperature again drops to 20 degrees Celsius in early winters, bunny ear cactus slowed down its growth and became a little dormant. Fortunately, bunny cactus can survive over the winters as it's a hardy plant. All you need to do is to make sure the plant is not placed in an open area. Just place it in a semi-shaded area so it have a good light and there is no frosting over the plant. And you can also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Another important thing in bunny ear cactus care is its soil mix. If the soil is water blocking, there is no chance the plant is going to survive. Ideally, bunny ear cactus likes a well-draining, loose and fertile soil mix. If you are growing bunny ear cactus for the first time, it's very important to use a well-draining soil mix. You can also make such a mixture at home using simple ingredients. Video on that is linked in the description box and I button. Just follow that recipe and everything else will be okay. Understanding a correct watering technique for bunny ear cactus is also important. If your soil is good, it can bear a little up and down in watering, but still you need to water it as a cactus. Cacti plants like less moisture and there is no place for overwatering and waterlogging issues. So for a beginner, simply check the top 2 inches layer of soil. If it feels dry, then water, otherwise don't water. Bunny ear cactus have a lot of moisture inside its leaves, so don't worry, it can survive very easily without a single drop of moisture for around a few weeks. But the overwatering will definitely kill it. Another important thing in bunny ear cactus care is placing it in an ideal spot. Bunny ear cactus likes a very well lit, hot and sunny area to grow, so make sure your plant receives at least a few hours of direct sunlight. But if you have less sun, it can still survive, so it's up to you. Just make sure the plant is not placed in a dark area. This will increase the chance of many pest related problems, so be careful and subscribe to our channel. Another thing in bunny ear cactus care is its fertilizer requirements. So it's a moderate type of feeder, means a monthly fertilization can work well if the fertilizer is good enough. Too much fertilization is not required. For bunny ear cactus and any other type of cacti plant, you can use this homemade organic fertilizer that is made using very simple ingredients and works just fine for such plants. Video on making this fertilizer is added in the I button and description box. Must check it out and fertilize your bunny ear cactus plant at least once a month. Deficiency of nutrition can affect bunny ear cactus pads or leaf colors, so don't forget to fertilize it. Another thing in bunny ear cactus care is about its pot. It's a cactus, so it have a small root structure. So much of a big size pot is not required. Just make sure the plant is not root bounded. Little shallow pot works very well. Deeper containers have no use. You can also use a plastic pot, but it's better to plant it in a clay pot. Some of the good size pots are also added in the description box to buy. Some of the common problems of bunny ear cactus plant includes their drying and yellowing leaves, stem rot or root rot, etc. Simply follow this guide carefully and there will be no such issues. Pests like scale insects and mealybugs can attack on a weak and shocked bunny cactus plant. So here you can use Neem spray at the early morning time. For making Neem pesticide at home, follow the video added in the description box and I button. Pests can be very disturbing sometimes, so for their 100% prevention with the help of a proven and organic pest control technique over your whole garden, you can buy this ebook. It's linked in the description box and I button. So it's all about bunny ear cactus care. Another low maintenance and hardy cactus is pencil cactus that also have a very unique appearance. Here is a detailed guide on pencil cactus. Must check it out and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.